20 years experience with roofing products, procedures, and maintenance is now available to RV owners through Rudy, the Dicor RV care expert. RVers have a big investment under their roofs, and Rudy's there to make roof care easier and friendlier. It's part of Dicor's commitment to all our customers. See more at dicor.com/Rudy.
Hi there, it's Rick Kessler from RV Business, here with John Samut, Vice President of Sales and Marketing with Newmar Corp. And we had a wonderful presentation this morning. First you talked about 2014, and then we got into some 2015 or 2016 product. And John entered the arena as Mr. Cowboy Singer, and it was a pretty good entrance, I gotta say.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So tell me about, well, first let's start with 14. How was that?
2014 was a good, the calendar year was a good year for Newmar. We outpaced the market in both overall Class A sales as well as our Class A diesel volume. We were the fastest growing Class A diesel manufacturer in 2014 calendar year and the second fastest growing Class A manufacturer overall. So we're very fortunate, and we feel pretty good about business at the present time.
Excellent, excellent. And then of course the highlight was talking about the 2016 lineup. I assume probably the highlight for everybody was the new Star Foundation, which is off camera over here. But the development in that was, I think I talked with Ron about 16 months ago started.
That's correct. That was a vision of Ron Stichter. He had always wanted to come up with a substructure design that could bear the weight and the stresses placed on a chassis foundation without and relinquish that pressure and that weight from the box itself. So we've got a real Star standing for strong, true, and robust, and it truly is that. And Ron and his team did a great job developing that platform for 2016.
I think one of the things Ron mentioned, and I think you did too, of course, was that that foundation was essential for the new slide out that you have.
That's correct. We've got a new feature which we're very excited about in our diesel products from Dutch Dar and all four of our luxury motorhome lines. We call it More Floor, and basically the solid surface flooring, be it ceramic or polished porcelain tile, that is featured on the main floor of the motorhome is now carried through on the flush floor slides, whether it's on one side, the other, or both. So we're really excited. It really reduces the amount of carpet overall in the coach, and really the trend with consumers in the industry is the less carpet the better. They'd rather put their own throw rugs down there and have them washed or replaced rather than try to have the carpet replaced every 10 or 12 years.
What are some of the other 2016 innovations that you have on the inside?
Well, one of the things that we had presented to the dealers this morning, and it seems to be getting rave reviews, is our new Cathedral Ceiling in the rear bath models. What it is essentially is we've brought the roof line up from the two ends of the motorhome up to the center and creating an additional 6 inches of interior height in the rear baths of the motorhomes.
Another big announcement, I think, was your two chassis suppliers. You also had some news coming from them.
That's correct. We are going to feature a passive steer tag axle on all 2016 Newmar diesel products that feature a supplemental axle or a tag axle. That in combination with our Comfort Drive steering, which has been standard in all our motorhome products for several years now, really can make the Newmar motorhome with a tag axle, diesel motorhome with a tag axle, really the ultimate RV driving experience.
That's right, that's right. And then I think the other was Spartan Chassis. They're now going to be an option in several more of the models.
For 2016, Newmar is offering an option to the standard Freightliner chassis to have a Spartan chassis in lieu of that on both Mountain Air and London Air.
Okay, and then maybe the last thing have you talk to us about is right behind us here, we've got a new front cap. I think some more things new on the Ventana.
Yes, this is our life cycle change for the Ventana LE and Ventana. New front cap, rear cap, a tremendous amount of stainless steel featured on both the front and the rear of the motorhome, and then a new instrument panel on the inside. So very ergonomically designed for the driver and the passenger. All new interiors, some new wood finishes, a lot going on with those two bread and butter products for us right now.
Okay, terrific. Unless you want to carry us to the end here with a country western song.
I think I'll pass on that. I appreciate it.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.